I'm going to see if you notice it. If you notice anything. Tell me, ooh, tell me if you see connection's good. Tell me if you notice anything. I know what I'm seeing. Yesterday I uploaded a few videos and they didn't turn out quite like I thought they were going to because of lighting, but this right here you should be able to see. And as we know, I have to upload to see the end results. But my apologies for yesterday. I didn't check the videos after upload. Okay, keep your eyes open now. I've gotten this before, this evidence, but this is, look at that. This is the biggest I've ever gotten it. I sure hope it turns out after the upload. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're in Las Vegas, by the way. That's where we're at. Outside the stratosphere. Man. Look how long the image stays there until the whole scene changes. So, I should count how many seconds in between. I really should. Okay, that was 5. Yeah, that's about 5 to 8. Looking across the street. Okay, traffic should be taken off. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, 5 to 8 seconds. I was heading over to Florida, that's where I was going, and check out the weather. Didn't look too good. So I came over here, and look what was happening. So, let's see, they're 3 hours behind me. So it's 4:26 there. Wow. That blue car left a big old trail of blue. Yeah, keep an eye on this corner, because everyone who turns around here is, oh, even the people crossing the street are going through it. Wow, look at that one. That's crazy. Just waiting for a new flood of cars to come through when the light changes behind us. That's everywhere. If we can get like a red car or something, I won't have to worry about the lighting, and I know you'll see it. The blue would probably show up like it did. Probably. I guess people don't buy red vehicles anymore, do they? Whoa. Look at that. That's 2 people crossing the street and they left a bunch of people behind. I mean, themselves. If that makes any sense. I don't know. There we go. We got some red going on. There's something up there. Right there. Now it's gone. I don't know what it was. Can't move my cursor around very much. Look at that. Come on now. Come on now. Give it up. Oh, they're at a stop. Okay. I thought it was frozen. Whoa, look at that. Look at that mess. They're just waiting for the lights to change. Oh. Oh. The guy on the bike is there, and there. And this guy's leaving how many of him behind? Wow, crazy. Alright, we're gonna leave this place. Have you seen enough Hologram? I just like to watch it and see if there's any patterns I need to notice, you know what I mean? Come on, go, go, go. I guess it goes when it wants. Okay, traffic light. Yeah, it's on the ground. Did you see it? Whoa. That's just crazy. Wow. All right. I was not expecting this. I've gotten it here before. This is, I think 3 times I've done videos on this, and 2 of them were from here. That were hologram like this. No, one of them was. The other one was in the Maldives or Brazil. Brazil, somewhere in Brazil. Yeah. Those people, I think, already passed. Let's see if they're there anymore in a second. Yep, they're gone.